How to install Lyft app on iPhone. Ready to catch your next ride with Lyft? Let's install the app in just few taps. First, open the App Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Lyft. Now look for the official app. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the Get button. Tap on it. If prompted, confirm with Face ID or your Apple ID password. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open to launch it. You'll now see the Lyft icon in your home screen for easy access. If the install button is grayed out, double check your internet or device storage. Comment below if it's not showing in your region. Once installed, you are one step closer to booking your first ride. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.